Kailangan ko yata ng 8 na susi para dito. Okay, hanapin ko. Saan dito? Wait. Ano to? Hindi kaya. Okay. Wait, engineer. Bzz. Everything appears to be running smoothly. You can now select an ability and join your fellow players. Maybe she lock outrunning miasma. Enter loot, escape, maybe win big. Ability miasma. Wait, ano to? Step on the glowing platform to select your ability. If you're dissatisfied with your current selection, you can unlock new ones and upgrade them at the lab. The mob maze is unstable. If you delay, miasma will rip the world apart around you. Miasma will always be one step behind you, so keep moving. Maybe you'll even escape the mob maze. The process is quite simple. Chests, loot, smash them open. Loot equals qubits. We need them, we will give you prize. Respawn. No big deal, just get as many qubits as we want. Okay, qubits. Anong tsura ng... Ay, wait. Anong tsura nga ulit yun? Tingnan ako dito. Win big. Qubits. Ito. Tsura ng qubits. Okay. Patayin ko muna yung wait. Bagong player to. Yun, may bagong player. Okay, sakay. Okay, hindi kaya. Ayun. Ito. Okay. Talon. Okay, ayun. Bank. Okay. Bank. Boom. Okay. Yun. Okay. Wait, kaya ko ba to? Hindi naman na. Paano yung mga okay. Wait, ano yun? Nahulog. 1, 2, climb, 3. Okay. Wait, ano to? Ba't to iba? Wait, kala ko ghost block. Wardrobe. Ano yun? Buttons? Wait, ito ba yung Ay, hindi. Marami yatang player kaya ganun. Okay. Start the game begins in 20. Okay, pupunta na dito. 9, 3, 2, 1. Yun! Okay. Ba't malalaki? Ba't kasunod namin? Okay. Bank. 1, 2. Wait nga ako dito. Ano meron dito? Oh my god. Okay. 2. Ano? Paano to? Tap. Out. Ganon. What? Ano yun? Ha? Oh. Okay, hindi ko alam. Ability equip. Buttons? No. Buttons? No. Okay, doon natin. Okay, nakatakot na dito. Wait, spike yun. 1. Yun! Ano to, level? 2. Isa pang player. Yun. Open na. Random? Nope. 2 players. Isa pa. Okay, yun. Una, back. Muna. Yeah. No. Okay. Oops. Looting time. Click. Ba't hindi nakukuha? Okay, never. Going up and down. No. Okay. You know. Ayun. Kaya ko yung daw butas dito. Ay, hindi yata dito. Wait, ano yun? Ayun lang, fall damage. Cookies. Okay, tama ako, cookies. Bang. Wait, bumalik lang ako. Okay, bumalik. The door will only open when enough pressure plates have been activated. Recommended action. Find and step on the pressure plate. Thanks. Okay. Press. Just looted. Ventilation mode. Ay, wala nang ventilation. Parkour and yun! Treasure plate! Looted time! Ha? Ayun! Ano nga rin ito? Treasure plate? Okay, hindi naman. Wait. Slime? Ayun, wait. Yun! Traps. Yun! Ano yun? Okay, time for that. Okay, don't mind me. Just manage to oops. Baka malito ako. Patay. Okay. Traps! Okay, hindi ka na yun. May... ito. Ano to? Yun! Outrun must to survive. Bakit? Ano may... okay, but can't get out. Ha? Ay, dito! Oh my god. Wala nga palang mic. Cookies! Brank. Kala ko pressure plate. Ano ba? Okay, balik tayo doon ulit. May player na dito. Ay, naman. Yun! Punch! Yun! Ay, ba't? Kuningan. Okay. Balik na dito. Wait, bago tong ano ba yung outrun? Miasma. Ano yung miasma? Okay. Ayun pala. Nakakasakit. Outrunning the miasma might be hard. I'm dead. Yes! No! Okay. Then, you got lost in the miasma. Yay! Ano ba? Well, then, natalo. Natalo. Patay. A player returns. What did you think of the mob maze? Did you bring us some glorious qubits? Next, welcome to the lab. You can unlock and upgrade powerful abilities that will help you survive longer in the mob maze. Speak to my attendants to check them out. We've got a great deal on X-ray hacks. What? Wait. X-ray hacks? Okay. Wait. Kaya naman to okay, kaya naman. Oh, hindi. Ayun! Okay, anong dito? X-ray hack. Booby trap pala yun. Okay, booby trap. Ano ba? Malapit dito sa may ano ko. Booby trap. Ano ba? Wait. Never mind. Oh my god! Okay. Alam ko na yung ano. Try ko to ngayon. Bam. Bam. Oh. Wait, is that a zombie? Threat a zombie. Boat trap. What? Dito na nga lang ako. Okay, hindi kaya. Okay, nakakainis na tong booby trap. Parkour! Parkour! Okay. Parkour. Parkour. Your ability has been cooled down. Wait, ano yun? Ano to? Hindi ko pa, pero tingnan ko na lang ito. Ano to? Speed pala ito. Speed boost. Yata, speed boost. Okay. Ay, wait. There's the maze. You must unlock it. Okay. Ay, wait. Ayun pala. Kala ko na-unlock na. Okay, hintayin ko ulit yun. Glitch yun. Okay, speed boost. Wait lang. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Ano to? Chess! Play. Yun, nasan yung isang okay, hindi ko alam. 20 seconds. Oh my god, okay. Okay, maglaro na tayong second round. Rounds activate. The silent keep next maze 2000. Wait. 2 hours. Okay. Exploration mode muna. Attack. My protocol is to explain to curious players what my protocol is. Okay, hindi ko ito alam. Shops. Mga pwede kong mabili dito. Ang lit nyo pero ang laki ng bahay. Okay. VIP join the game. Ano to? Okay, wala na akong magagawa dito. That's all, and thank you for watching. Goodbye. Wait lang pala to, sorry. Bye bye.